जुवारी गेटी लागसरच्या सुवातेकडेन डिवायडर उघडिल्ल्या प्रयत्नाचेर कुठ्ठाळीची आमदार एलिना सल्डानान खर विरोध उक्तायला. अशे बेकायदेशीर यत्नांक लागून अपघाताचे प्रमाण वाडपाक शकता म्हण पयल्या सुवातेर हे बंद करपाची गरज आसा म्हण आमदार एलिना उलयल्या. RDX खातीर कुठ्ठाळीच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
To question the National Highway Authority, the project manager, how he allowed this to happen. Does this make sense? Look at the car that's spared now and the car that is trying to turn into the same road. How many accidents are we going to allow with this nonsense that has been done? This cannot be allowed. We have to take quick action to see that this is undone. First of all, I would like to state that we have been pursuing the issue with respect to the MES junction non-stop. And I am very happy that we have already obtained the necessary NOC from the National Highway Authority of India to go ahead with installation of the traffic signals. Okay, so now we are in fact today the letter is already ready, but we'll be sending the letter today to the collector to get the NOC from the collector as well, and we will try to install the traffic signals as early as possible. Okay, so that is one good news. But unfortunately, while I received this good news, at the same time, yesterday as I was returning along this road, I saw this new death trap that has been created at this junction. This cannot happen because this is the national highway. It is such a busy highway, and the roads on either side of the divider are not broad enough. So how is the traffic supposed to turn? And where are the signals to tell the oncoming traffic you stop because somebody is turning? Where are the speed breakers to slow down the two-wheelers and the four-wheelers? Nothing is put in place, and suddenly this change has been brought about. I'm very sorry to
Any
state.
accident reports, ma'am?
I am very sorry to state that this new activity that they have indulged in should have been informed to me as well. I am the MLA of this constituency, but this has been done without my knowledge. And I am extremely sorry to state again that since inception, which has happened just 2 days ago, already 3 accidents have taken place.